Okay, solving for x, we have 1/5 x equals 10. This should look a little familiar to us. In an earlier problem, we had x over 5 equals 10. And I really want to show you that these are exactly the same problem. We have 1/5 x equals 10. So how do I get rid of this 1/5? I have two ways I can do it, right? I can either divide by 1/5. That's multiplication, right? I can divide by both sides by 1/5. The problem here comes, and we have a complex fraction now over here on the right? These cancel out, so no big deal there. But here I've got 10 over 1/5. And it's common to make a mistake and go 5 goes into 10 two times, but it doesn't really work like that, right? This is 10 over 1. When we're dividing two fractions, what do? We invert that second one, right? We invert this bottom one and multiply. So this gets flipped or reciprocated, 5 over 1, and we get x equals 50 again. So I wanted you to see that 1/5 x, earlier we had an equation that looked like this. We had x over 5 equals 10, which is exactly the same equation, right? These two are exactly the same equation. 1/5 x is the same as x over 5. And sometimes our teachers don't say that explicitly, and I want to make sure I say that explicitly, because I know it's an area where students can get a little confused, right? But these are exactly the same problems. If you see this, you can certainly write it like this if you think it looks